How to fix SkyGo app not working. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store and then search for SkyGo app. This is the app you'd be looking for. Since this app is not available in my region, I will only tell you the steps. The first thing you have to do is make sure you have the latest version of the app. If you have the update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. After that, tap and hold the app and then go to app info. After that, go to its storage section and tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.